Data hygiene is important because it's basically the foundation of everything you do with data, whether it be analytics, segmentation, profiling, or indeed communicating with the audience that you have. The old adage of rubbish in, rubbish out is absolutely true in the case of data. The data has to be cleaned, it has to be deduplicated. You have to make sure that you're sending your communications to the right person at the right time and that they're not moved, that they haven't died, unfortunately. They may have changed job if you're a B2B organisation. You need to have all that data accurate before you start to do anything with it. A good example is if you're running segmentation, if you're running any kind of analysis or segmentation, the data has to be clean before you start. If you're running a segmentation, you may find that you've got two customers who appear to be medium or low spending customers, and so you treat them accordingly. But actually, if you ran deduplication and data hygiene exercises, you'd find that those two individuals are actually one individual who spent a whole load of money with you, and you therefore need to treat them completely differently. So the analysis is absolutely key to this. Rubbish in equals rubbish out. If you don't clean the data in, you're going to have rubbish coming out of your either analysis or your communication campaigns.